It was a mostly positive day in the livestock markets with live cattle, feeder cattle, and lean hogs all gaining ground. April live cattle futures gained $1.60 to settle at 185.60, and that was good enough to recover losses from the previous two sessions. March feeder cattle, they settled the day 87 cents higher to 247.10. Important to note, April feeders are starting to narrow the gap with March feeders in terms of trade volume. That contract settled the day 62 cents higher to 250.22. This morning's wholesale box beef report was firm. We saw choice cuts gaining $1.19 to 295.19, and select cuts tacking on an extra $3.84 to 287.86. Yesterday's daily livestock summary showed the 5-area average price for live steers at 180. Now that is lower from what we saw earlier in the week, but still at the upper end of this year's range. Daily slaughter was reported at 123,000 head. That puts week-to-date slaughter 376,000. This morning's weekly export sales report showed net sales of beef at 16,600 metric tons. That was down 19% from the previous week and 18% from the prior 4-week average. On the pork side, it was a different story. Net sales came in at a whopping 71,900 metric tons. That was up 83% from the previous week. Mexico was a primary buyer, accounting for 25,000 metric tons, followed by China coming in at 19,100 metric tons.